The tech industry can be an exciting and lucrative field, but it is no secret that women are often underrepresented. In this video, we will explore tips and resources to help women navigate and succeed in the tech industry. One of the first steps to thrive in the tech industry is setting clear goals and continuously working on building your skills. Whether it's learning programming languages, acquiring certifications, or attending workshops, investing in your professional development is essential. Networking and mentorship can greatly contribute to success in any industry, and the tech industry is no exception. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, join professional organizations, and seek out mentorship opportunities to grow your network and gain valuable insights. Unfortunately, women may face unique challenges in the tech industry. It's important to be resilient and proactive in overcoming these obstacles. Surround yourself with supportive colleagues, seek out allies and advocates, and confront any bias or discrimination head-on. Promoting diversity and inclusion is crucial for the tech industry's growth and success. Encourage and participate in initiatives that aim to create more equal opportunities and representation for women in tech. Be an advocate for diversity and contribute to building a more inclusive and supportive industry. As a woman in tech, navigating the industry may have its challenges, but it also presents incredible opportunities. By setting goals, building skills, networking, overcoming challenges, and promoting diversity, you can thrive and make a positive impact on the tech industry.